Hey everyone, I am telling you the top 10 American liar, top 5 American liar. ठीक है. This is a Gloria Allred, Abraham Lincoln, John Brance, Clarence Draw, Johnny Charlton, Robert Shapiro, Alan Draswitz, Mark George. And I am now this Gloria Allred. Gloria Allred is an American attorney, know of the high talking profile and often conversion cases, practically those involving the practice of the women's right. She has been inducted into the National Women Hall of Fame. Gloria Allred is an American attorney known for talking high. Gloria Allred earned her law degree from the Loyola Law School, Los Angeles, at the Loyola Marymount University. Mary Bonanto earned her law degree from the Northeastern. Gloria Allred, an American attorney born July 3, 1941, has become famous for her unwavering commitment to the women's rights and the advocating on their behalf against. And next, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American lawyer, politician, and the statesman who served as the 16th President of the United States from 1861 until his assassination in 1865. Abraham Lincoln served as a sole counsel in 51 one of those cases, 32 out of the 51 of his sole counsel. Abraham Lincoln was a versatile lawyer representing clients both of the criminal and civil matters. Lincoln, his partner, handled more than 5,000 cases before. Abraham Lincoln is the most remembered is the 6th President of the United States. And next, John Branca. John Branca, George Branca is an entertainment lawyer and the manager who specializes is representing rock and roll act. He is also co-executor of the Michael Jackson estate. A graduate of the UCLA School of the Law, John Branca has had a lengthy career as an entertainment and corporate lawyer with a focus on the representing rock and roll. John Georgia Busey. Clarence Draw. Clarence served Darrow as an American lawyer who became famous in the early 20th century for his involvement in the Leopold and the Lew murder trial and the Scopes trial. Clarence swore Darrow April 1857, March 13, 1938 was an American lawyer who became famous in the early 20th century for his involvement in the Leopold. And fifth, last, now I am telling you the American lawyer, Johnny Cochran. Johnny Lee Cochran Jr. was